just had a fascinating discussion with a private equity firm, Avatar Ventures, and a VC firm, Bloom Ventures, on their perspectives on AI. Are we in a hype cycle? Are we running ahead of ourselves? Are investments really flowing in to AI as much as being talked about? The answer is yes to everything. We yet don't know what we don't know. We're in the early stages of AI. The promise is tremendous. This technology will change our lives, the business world, forever. AI investments are going into, today, the picks and shovels of the gold rush, infrastructure, large language models. But the next stage is really B2C applications, which will really drive adoption of AI with the general public. Venture capital firms are looking deep into this area, investing prolifically across the board in a variety of technologies. Capability sets are yet to catch up with the promise of the technology. India is really well positioned with its pool of really deep tech talent. The challenge, of course, is to scale in India and compete with the large markets like the US around the world.